Friends and Rotarians, already I have a vision of Smriti, which is Smriti ji, that in the morning she refused to allow me to pick her up. So it just tells as to what is her level of humility as a cabinet minister. So I think that itself needs a big applause from us, that she is not a person who is interested in the red batti on the car or on the car. And I think this itself tells us what sort of a person she is. So the Honorable Minister, Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani, you know, friends, tomorrow belongs to them who believe in their dreams. But who dream, you should dream with your eyes open. And I think she is one of such a person. We have gathered here today at the DISCON, a gathering of minds who have envisioned a bold and transformed India. And when we turn 75 in 2022, to achieve the future, we need to work on it today. Weaving the fine fabric of a beautiful nation like a master weaver with an eye on the masterpiece called India. Let me introduce you to a hard-working, dynamic person whose humility touches me even today, a person whose personification of the aspirations of young India, who heads the Department of Human Resource Development at the cabinet level, and as we stand at this strategic crossroad, that is, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani. Friends, starting her political career at a young age while balancing her career in the television industry, Smriti ji has worked hard to walk the path which may have no one has probably walked before, or she done it so finely. Her grit and her commitment saw her quickly rise to the position of the National Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party for 2 terms, and also to serve as a 5-term member of the National Executive Council of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Notably, she also has served with a distinction as the National President of the BJP Women's Wing, where she proactively sowed the seeds to set up successfully the Permanent Commission for Women in India. I think her persistence and efforts we all saw on 26 January when the whole contingent of women army officers came up. And I think we must give her a hand that, you know, she is committed to creating change. And I saw that occasion, and I could see that there were tears in her eyes. So I think that this is something that we are proud of. Of course, Mrs. Smriti Irani is actively involved with many NGOs, and Rotary is one of the NGO. And we wish to work with her in the future. And she has worked with Cancer Patients Association, Vatsalya Street Kids Foundation. She has also established independently finances an NGO called for People for Change in 2007, and has been in the forefront of many social and relief activities ranging from sports, drinking water projects, scholarships for economically backward people, and relief funds for the 2007 Mumbai floods. She has also served the USAID WHO ORS project as a Goodwill Ambassador for 3 years. Friends, I think these words signify her. Once social change begins, it cannot be reversed. You cannot uneducate the person who has learned to read, and that's what your teach idea is. And you cannot humiliate the person who feels pride, and pride about India. You cannot oppress the person who is not afraid anymore. We have seen the future in Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani, and ladies and gentlemen, the future is ours. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause, a warm applause to Honorary Minister Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani.
Ma'am, please. And we have the Honorable Minister coming up. You prefer that? Honorable Minister coming up to address us, and thank you. Thank you, Dr. Shirish. Please.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. What I've learned this morning is you should always have your doctor introduce you, because he'll make sure that he's kind. given what he's going to do afterwards with all the tests and the syringes that he's going to poke into you. I am extremely grateful that I have been called here today. Grateful because when I saw our children do the Malkhambh, I said, wow. And I said that because I was told that this is a presentation by Rotractors. And when I met these children, I said, I've never been myself proud of being a Rotractor as I am today when I see these children give such a wonderful, splendid performance. I am told that one of the performances was done by a lady called Manasi Mahukar. I would invite her on stage. Manasiya. Manasi? Keval, you can come with her. Keval is the person who put this whole Malkhambh act together, ladies and gentlemen. Keval had no idea that I myself once was a Rotractor and a Rotarian. And I congratulated him on his effort, and I was gently nudged and told that Manasi ka janam din hai. She turns 19 today. So I've called her on stage so that we can all wish her a very, very happy birthday. अब अक्सर जन्मदिन पर कुछ दिया जाता है, लेकिन मैं पॉलिटिशियन हूँ इसलिए मैं दूंगी नहीं, कुछ लूंगी. मैंने आज मानसी से एक वादा लिया है. राष्ट्र भर में मैंने लगभग 2 लड़कियों को स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के अंतर्गत अपना एम्बेसडर बनाया है. मैंने आज रोटरी से ये आग्रह किया कि क्या मानसी महाराष्ट्र में मेरी एम्बेसडर बनना स्वीकार करेंगी. And I'm proud, ladies and gentlemen, to nominate Manasi Mahukar as my personal ambassador in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan on behalf of the HRD ministry, so that she can enlighten people on the path of cleanliness. Thank you so much, Manasi. I look forward to engaging with you and working with you on this mission. Thank you, Keval. Thank you, gentlemen. Now, Shekhar Da had a joke at my expense and said कि दिल्ली में इतनी बात नहीं हो पाती जितना आज यहाँ पे कर पाया मैं. I also told Shekhar Da it's not only batein that you got, but also got a check from me. So I guess this is a very productive morning for you. I'm extremely happy and proud to engage with the Teach campaign of Rotary Club. And when I say I'm proud to engage with the Teach campaign, I do not limit myself to only this one compliment. By the time I could come on stage, me and Shekhar Da could sit down and broker a deal. I have gotten a promise from him on behalf of the entire Rotary family that in the next 1 year, the Teach program of Rotary family will help us get 1 lakh children all across the country back to schools. All those volunteers who are engaged with the Teach campaign through the Rotary family will meet on February 13th, 14th and 15th in Pune. And I have assured Shekharji that my representative from the ministry will be there that day to enter into an MOU so that these 1 lakh children, ladies and gentlemen, can be brought back into the schooling system. But he was very concerned as to school to le aayenge, lekin wo school mein khush rahenge ya nahi. I'm talking absolutely brass tacks as to what we are doing to make schools happy. We are launching a program called Shala Darpan, which is going to be applicable in at least 4 states from the next academic year, which is 2015-16. For the first time in the history of independent India, in government and government-aided schools, we will have, through a technical intervention, an SMS service given to every parent of a school-going child in a government and government-aided school every day, which highlights the child's attendance, highlights whether the child has submitted a homework or not, highlights what the timetable of the day was, highlights whether the child did well or did not do well, the learning outcomes on a daily basis, so that parents are more involved and more aware and can trace the learning of their children through such public school system. This is a first, and I'm hoping that this makes at least one of our first constructive steps towards making our schools happy. We have launched in the month of November in all CBSE schools a program called Saransh. Under Saransh, learning outcomes are available to each CBSE schools, where per child from grade 9 onwards, per subject, the learning outcome is available to the school, so that the school can compare their outcomes with the school within their district, within their state, in the region and across the nation, just to know where that student stands on behalf of that particular subject. I have appealed to CBSE to ensure that many a times our parents are not aware per class what the learning outcome is. And I have requested CBSE, which has accepted my request, that now even parents of that particular child in all CBSE schools in the coming 2 to 3 months can access on a daily basis the learning outcome of their child from grade 9 onwards. But I have also compiled information from the year 2007 onwards, so that we have more and more information on our hands as to how to better the education process in our country. The question that arises, however, is what kind of an education are we trying to give? I was addressing a group of doctors yesterday in Banaras, and I told them of a ghastly affair that I saw in district Beed in Maharashtra, which I have repeated often on many a public stage. In this particular district, a doctor was extremely well known for female infanticide. He was the one-stop shop for killing the girl child, only for a fee of 3,000 rupees. जब इस डॉक्टर के खिलाफ कोई एविडेंस नहीं मिला, तब एक पत्रकार ने एक महिला वॉलंटियर के साथ ये तय किया कि जिनको एविडेंस नहीं मिलता उनके लिए हम एविडेंस प्राप्त करके प्रस्तुत करेंगे। एक गर्भवती महिला वॉलंटियर, अंडरकवर महिला पत्रकार इस डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक में गए और उन्होंने डॉक्टर से कहा कि कोख में बच्ची पल रही है, क्या ऐसे मारने में आप हमारी सहायता करेंगे? डॉक्टर ने कहा 3,000 रुपए की फीस है। सो द लेडी आस्क्ड इन अ वेरी इंट्रीग्ड फैशन कि डॉक्टर साहब आज तक कितने केसेस ऐसे किए होंगे? ही वाज वेरी नॉनशलांट एंड ही सेड लगभग 1,000 ऐसे केसेस किए, आप चिंता मत कीजिए। सो द लेडी आस्क्ड 1,000 ऐसे केसेस किए हैं तो आपके खिलाफ कभी कोई एविडेंस क्यों नहीं मिलता? आपको डर नहीं लगता पुलिस से? डॉक्टर ने कहा कि उसका इंतजाम भी मैंने अपने क्लिनिक में कर लिया है। उन्होंने महिलाओं को एक कमरा दिखाया, कमरा खोलकर कहा अंदर झांकिए, क्या इंतजाम किया है। जब महिलाओं ने अंदर झांक कर देखा तो 2 कुत्तों को बंधा पाया। डॉक्टर ने कहा कि जब मां के गर्भ से मैं कन्या का भ्रूण निकालता हूं तो कुत्तों को खिला देता हूं, मेरे खिलाफ कोई एविडेंस नहीं बचता। When I met these volunteers, when I met this lady reporter, and I heard this ghastly story, absolutely inhuman affair, I thought to myself कि जहां से भी ये डॉक्टर पढ़ा होगा, उन लोगों ने डिग्री देकर इसे डॉक्टर तो बना दिया लेकिन इंसान नहीं बनाया। इसलिए आज शेखर आपसे आग्रह करती हूं कि जब आप टीच की बात करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारी एजुकेशन सिस्टम में कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग को भी उतना ही हम एम्फेसिस दें, ताकि चरित्र का निर्माण भी शिक्षा के माध्यम से कर सकें। शिक्षा मात्र रट्टा मारकर कोई एग्जाम देने का साधन नहीं है। शिक्षा राष्ट्र का निर्माण करने का हथियार बन सकता है, राष्ट्र के प्रति योगदान देने का एक मार्ग बन सकता है। इस निश्चय के साथ हम टीच प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाएं। एंड आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज आई हैव सीन अ लेस एजुकेटेड लेडी have more humanity in her than this educated doctor. I met this lady from the state of Punjab around 8 years ago, in fact 10. And when I met her, I was comparing a program and I said, how do I introduce you? And she said कि आप कह दीजिए कि मैं अपनी बेटी को मारने की कोशिश कर रही थी, ऐसी माँ हूं मैं. मैंने कहा कोई भी माँ अपना परिचय इस प्रकार से नहीं देगी. उन्होंने कहा मैं दूंगी क्योंकि मुझे अपने सच से शर्म नहीं आती है. When I asked her what happened, she said मेरी 2 बेटियां थी. पति ने कहा तीसरी बेटी होगी तो घर छोड़ना पड़ेगा. तीसरी भी बेटी हुई तो मेरे परिवार से कोई मुझसे मिलने अस्पताल नहीं आया. भाई आया और भाई ने कहा कि मैं जीजा जी से जाकर बात करता हूं, उनको मनाता हूं. And the 2 men sat together and brokered a deal. The deal was that the lady needs to dispose of the 3rd child if she wants to stay back home. महिला ने भाई की इस बात को स्वीकार करते हुए जब वो घर लौटी तो नवंबर की ठंड में रात को अपनी 3 दिन की बेटी को उसने चारपाई पर बिना किसी वस्त्र के छोड़ दिया और चौखट पर जाकर बैठ गई. उसने कहा स्मृति जी मुझे लगा ठंड के मारे 3 दिन का बच्चा है, बिना किसी कपड़े के मर जाएगा. मेरे खिलाफ कोई सुराग नहीं होगा, मैं जोर जोर से रोऊंगी, चिल्लाऊंगी, सबको लगेगा माँ देखो कितनी दुखी है, बेटी का दाह संस्कार हो जाएगा. And I'll retain my home, a roof over my other 2 daughters' head. ये महिला बेटी के मरने का इंतजार करती रही, लेकिन चौखट पर रात को इसकी नींद आ गई, इसकी आंख लग गई. जब सुबह उठी तो डरते डरते पलंग के पास गई. उसने कहा स्मृति जी मैंने देखा कि मेरी बेटी सर से लेकर पांव तक पूरी की पूरी नीली थी लेकिन जिंदा थी. उन्होंने कहा उस दिन मैंने तय किया अगर मेरी बेटी पूरी रात मौत से लड़ सकती है तो क्या मैं अपने पति से नहीं लड़ सकती. इस महिला के पास शिक्षा नहीं थी, इंसानियत थी, लेकिन उन्होंने अपनी 3 बेटियों को पढ़ाया. आज एक टीचर है, एक पब्लिक सर्विस में है, एक वकील की नौकरी करती है. और मेरा इनसे अब परिचय भी नहीं हुआ, मुलाकात भी नहीं हुई, लेकिन इस बात का मुझे आश्वासन जरूर है कि इन 3 लड़कियों को बचाने में, संवारने में, आगे बढ़ाने में उनकी अनएजुकेटेड मदर का सबसे ज्यादा योगदान था. इसलिए आज आग्रह करने आई हूं कि हम 1 लाख चिल्ड्रन को 1 साल के अंतर्गत वापस जरूर लाएंगे. आज मैं बैक टू स्कूल प्रोग्राम की भारत सरकार की तरफ से एक हमारा प्रयास रहेगा आप सबके साथ, उसकी घोषणा करती हूं. वी विल वर्क आउट द मोडालिटी सो दैट people like you who go down to the grassroots and help us build a stronger nation can genuinely interact with the government of India so that all those jo beet gaya so baat gayi, all that has happened. Let's look forward with renewed hope, with renewed vigor, and with a renewed promise that we are a people capable of building a nation that not only serves its own challenges, that not only finds solutions for challenges that have been thrown up by the past, but also can show a way forward for the entire world so that we together as a resurrected nation can tell the world, yes, we can. I almost sound like Obama. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for calling me this morning.
Born in Delhi, Mrs. Irani is one quarter Punjab. Maharashtra Irani is an Indian politician and former model, television actress. Born in Delhi, Mrs. Irani is one quarter Punjab.
Friends,
Maharashtra, Bengali, and Assamese, respectively, and the eldest among 3 sisters.
Smriti ji
She's a
said,
self-made politician
when she said
with no roots in
that
politics.
I come here
In
as a
her first
politician, so I'm going to take and not give, I don't agree with her. What she has said and what she has done here, she's only given to us. Thank you so much for giving so much to us on this platform. And it's a wonderful gesture on her part to have this young little girl join us in this campaign for Swachh Bharat. And thank you for giving me that idea, ma'am, for taking this forward. What I actually said when you were talking to Shekhar Da is that you said that as a politician you only came to take, but you have come to give us here, in fact. And that's what you've done. You have given us so much. Well, friends, I think that's this outstanding woman who really shows that she cares. She cares to do something special for our children and to make sure that our human resources really do develop effectively. I'll request, yes, we are going to play a small AV of hers which has been made, which she said that she would like to also see. Please.
Irani is an Indian politician and former model, television actress and producer. Born in Delhi, Mrs. Irani is one quarter Punjabi, Maharashtrian, Bengali and Assamese respectively, and the eldest among three sisters. She is a self-made politician with no roots in politics and is a first-time minister and the youngest in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Ministerial Council. In 2005, she was felicitated with Grade 8 Women's Achievers Award. Mrs. Irani was one of the finalists of the beauty pageant Miss India 1998. She has won numerous Best Actress awards for her role in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. She currently represents the Bharatiya Janata Party and is the Cabinet Minister of Human Resource Development of Government of India.
Friends, we have great pleasure in giving this award to Smriti ji. Thank you so much for coming here. I'll request Shekhar to join us and Indu ji to join us. And Shaheen, please join us. And of course, our doctor and RIPR, kindly join us. The award reads, RI District 3140 presents the Inspirational Young Leader Award to Miss Smriti Irani in recognition for her accomplishments in the area of television and shaping India's future human resources at this district conference. Such a pleasure to you. And yes, and a small token from our club. Friends, I want to tell you a few more things. Smriti ji, in honor of your visit here, we are going to ensure that at least 5 children, actually this is what we have done, that to every speaker who's come, we're giving them a certificate. That's, dear Honorable Minister, Shri, this is, I have to check that with the team. The team is making that contribution. I think it is, it's 10,000 per child. 10,000 per child, yeah.
Match 5 more from my end.
Thank you so much. Match 5 more from her side. And this is, and what we are going to do is 4 more children, that is making it 5, we'll be doing from our side. That is, Rekha K is the child who's going to be sponsored, whose education is going to be sponsored. That's what we have done as a mark of respect to all our speakers who are coming here. We are, on their behalf, educating that child for that year. She is contributing as a past Rotarian and not a HRD minister. Give her a big round of applause, my friends.
She is half Bengali. I've just come to know. She's been talking to me in Bengali. So I'll match another 5.
Another 5 from Shekhar Da. And friends. Yeah, any more takers? Another 5 from Vijay. Another 5 from Shirish. 10 from my friend who's come from all the way from Allahabad, the district governor of Allahabad, and 31220. My daughter is giving 5. That's Kanika. Kanika, thank you so much. Kiran, 5. There, Rajan, 5. Who's going above 5? I'll say that. Yeah, that I'm going to say. Yep. Sachin, 5. Friends, just, there are so many, please give your names, please give the names. Yes, somebody is going over 50, then come here. And 50 or 5? 5, okay, no problem. Friends, okay, 10.
already stage pe hai, phir bhi 25 bol raha hai, bula lo usse aage.
Who? Sunil? Sunil has committed 25 from his side. Thank you, Sunil. And friends, President nominee Pankaj Verma of Chembur West, 25,000 for the blind children. And our Rotary coordinator Vijay has just told me there's 85 lakhs which is coming through CSR and another 60 lakhs in the pipeline. But you still have an opportunity. Okay, can I on your behalf make one request? If anybody wants to give 51,000, can come and shake hands with the minister. Is it okay?
That's cheap.
Okay, 50 children. Okay, 50 children, 5 lakh rupees. You can come up. Any takers? Satpal? Anybody? Okay, Satpal is the one from 3120, 5 lakhs for the children. Thank you so much, Satpal. A flower for Satpal, please. And can I request Poonam to also come? His wife has also come. Quickly, Poonam, you can come up.
There'll be another 50. That's for Poonam, na?
Well, as it is, Satpal runs 11 engineering colleges.
ये आज मंत्री का आना आप सबके लिए महंगा पड़ रहा है. Who else is?
हम सबको प्राइज मिल रहा है आपके आने से. 5 lakh rupees from Mahendra Sundesha, Deepak Khicha, Cup Parade Club. You would like to? 5 lakhs from this wonderful lady who's already given us 15 lakhs for open heart surgery from Mumbai Green City. Kanika, you're being called up. Please come up. And Bhupen Bhai, another 5 lakhs. Thank you so much. Yeah.
How much have we raised? Let me know.
We're going to take a note of that. I think we would have crossed 50 lakhs right now. Yes?
Okay, now I have like 80,000 dysfunctional toilets. Who wants to pay for that?
We'll do that also, ma'am. 80,000 deep functional toilet. Okay. Yes, we have already promised 40,000. We are already working on 40,000 of them. That's a promise we have made. We'll make more than that. Shekhar. Kanika, where are you? Kanika? Yes. 5 lakh rupees from Mr. Nikhil, from Nick Israni from Bombay North. And Suresh Gandhi, another 5 lakhs from Bombay North. I would like you to meet my daughter. We met. Okay. Please. Well, friends, I think this is a momentous occasion, and I must tell you that she's electrified the whole conference. Give her a big round of applause. Let's give her another standing ovation for this wonderful, wonderful human being who's really going to make a difference to this country. Thank you so much.
Friends, of the 1 lakh children that we have promised that we will send back to school, you won't believe the amount at which we are already sending children back to school. Just yesterday in Calcutta, we ensured that 2,000 children are going back to school. It is costing us, because of the huge numbers, only 2,000 rupees per child. 50,000 children is Ajay and Bombay's responsibility. 50,000 balance is mine, okay? That's how wealth is divided in India. Half in Mumbai, half in rest of India. Mumbai, are you ready for it? It's all getting recorded, mind you.
Yes, it is. It is, and I will also request our RI director to come up and shake a hand with Smriti ji. That is, he's the guy who's going to take charge of the whole country.
No, but is he paying?
Oh, he will pay.
He will pay. He's already paying a lot by doing all free surgeries for. And I'll request our district trainer to also come up and shake a hand with the Honorable Minister. And you know, when Bansi comes to shake a hand, he always does something special. We have already crossed you, sir. Thank you very much, everybody. This has been really an amazing session. Thank you so much, Smriti ji, for coming. And We are sorry to see you go. We would love to have you here, but I understand you have a flight to catch.
Staying here is an expensive proposition.
It's very invigorating. Thank you.